In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio API key and secret. Whether you're integrating Twilio with another service or building your own application, accessing these credentials is a necessary step. So let's walk through the process together, ensuring you're all set up safely and correctly. First, you'll need to log into your Twilio console. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the Account menu. This is your primary navigation hub for all things related to your Twilio account. Within this menu, you'll want to click on API Keys and Tokens, which is located under the Keys and Credentials section. This is where you can manage all API-related functions and settings. Now that you're in the right spot, look for the option to Create API Key. This is where the real setting up begins. By clicking on this button, you're taking the first step in creating a new key that will allow you to interact with Twilio APIs. Here, you'll be prompted to provide a few key details. First is the friendly name. Think of this as a label that helps you identify your key. It doesn't affect the functioning of the key itself, but it's beneficial for organization and management, especially if you end up creating multiple keys. Next, you'll need to select a region. This can be particularly important if you're working with region-specific APIs, so make sure you choose the one that's right for your needs. This ensures that your data remains compliant with regional regulations and can optimize the performance of your API calls. Now, you'll choose the key type. You have three options: standard, main, or restricted. Each serves a different purpose. A standard key is typically used for regular API interactions. The main key has broader permissions and is often considered the primary key for your account. Restricted keys are used for limiting access to specific APIs, which is useful if you want to add an extra layer of security by limiting what each key can do. Choose the option that best fits your use case. Once you've filled out these details, click the button to create the key. This might just be one of the most important steps, as this is when Twilio will show you both your API key SAD and your API key secret. Remember, the secret is only visible once, so it's crucial to store it securely. Consider using a password manager or a secure storage solution for this purpose, because if it gets lost, you won't be able to retrieve it later. Congratulations! You now have your Twilio API key and secret. Keeping these steps in mind will ensure your integration process remains smooth and secure. Thank you for following along, and happy coding with Twilio.